Good morning, and welcome to another episode of The Quote for Today. I'm your host, Michelle Frisby, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, I want to share something that speaks directly to the heart of self-compassion and the truth about our inherent value. It's a gentle reminder for those days when we feel defined by our struggles. Your worth is not determined by your worst day. We all have those days, the ones where everything seems to go wrong, where we make mistakes we wish we could take back, where we feel like we've fallen short of who we want to be. In those moments, it's easy to let that single day become the lens through which we see ourselves, but here's what I want you to remember. You are not your worst moment. Your worth isn't a fluctuating stock price that rises and falls with your daily performance. It's not something you earn through perfect behavior or lose through human mistakes. Your value is inherent, woven into the fabric of your being. It lives in your capacity for growth, your ability to love, and the unique perspective you bring to this world. Think of it this way. A diamond doesn't lose its value because it gets covered in dirt. The dirt is temporary, but the diamond remains precious underneath. Your difficult days are like that dirt. They may obscure your light for a moment, but they cannot diminish your fundamental worth. Morning intention. Look in the mirror and say, I am worthy of love and respect, especially from myself, during the day. When you make a mistake, pause and ask yourself, what would I say to a dear friend in this situation? Evening reflection. Write down one thing you appreciate about yourself, something that has nothing to do with productivity or achievement. Here's a simple tool to carry with you. Practice the reset ritual. When you're having a difficult day, place your hand on your heart, take 3 slow breaths, and remind yourself, this day does not define me. I am learning, I am growing, I am enough. 2 related quotes to consider. You are not your mistakes. You are your capacity to rise above them. And be gentle with yourself. You're doing the best you can with what you have right now. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.